G'day all, in this video what I'm going to run through is just an abridged version of how to polish or apply and polish to the ADF R.M.Williams Parade Boot. All the detailed instructions can be found in my other video, so if you haven't seen that yet, it might be an idea to watch that one first. And in this one I'll just be using the gloss meter to take the readings before and after. So with the gloss meter at the moment it's reading the calibration plate in there. You can see that you've got a high level of gloss coming off of that, just for an added measure. That should read up around 100 gloss meter units, just give you an idea on how that works. So before we start the polishing, this is the old boot that the customers asked me to repair, and you can see it's quite dinged up. It's got some road rash on the side here, which we'll get to and fix up. We'll use some files and that sort of thing on that. You can see there's some rash up the front on the toe as well. So we'll do both of the shoes. This one here is just an example. This is my actual boot that I wear, and this is the one I used on the previous video. You can see the difference before and after. Right, so just a reading. So we're getting variations between 0.2 and 0.3. Okay, and over onto the polished boot, we're getting readings up to 2.7, 2.8. So there's the difference straight away. We'll see if we can bring the old boot up to that standard. We'll see how we go. Okay, equipment we're going to use in this refurbishment of the dinged up boot. We'll use the toothbrush and the kiwi polish for the welts. Then we'll go on with the leather conditioner on the body of the boot, or all over the boot, and let it sit. And then we'll apply a base polish of a renovating polish with the cloth. And then for the wax polish to finish off with, we'll use the Severe Medel Dior black polish, mirror polish. High quality polish. We'll see how that comes up. And we'll off brush it with the horsehair brush and also the stocking. For the bits on the boot that require some attention, so we're going to use some files and also 240 grit sandpaper just to file that down, and then go over it with the black polish. So like I said, a abridged version. I won't be doing too much talking through it. It'll just be as you see it. Okay, so we've finished the process, total process of refurbishing. Just to, as a reminder, this is what the boot looked like. This is the matching pair. So essentially this is what condition they were in. And this is the finished product. So conditioner, refurbishment polish, did all the welts, and we did 4 coats of the Sophia Medal Dior in the black pigment. Okay, and finished it off as you saw with the stocking, just to add a little bit of gloss. Okay, what we'll do now is just place a gloss mirror over it and difference and see what we come up with. Okay, so the boot with no polish on it, just the old one, giving reading of 0.3 to 0.4. And with polish, fluctuating 0.8, 0.6. So there we go.